Yo, what's going on? Your boy Nick. I'm back doing another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a Baby Pluto cook-up, something like the collab project Future and Uzi did. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first thing I did was start with this little pluck melody. Super simple. Like I'm gonna let you peep it. So once I heard that, that was like the foundation for the whole beat. Like you can see that sound plays throughout the whole beat. That's like instead of chords, like this is like my chords, you know what I'm saying? And I mean really like the C and the C sharp, that's like the root and the fifth or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't know a ton about music theory. I know the basics to get me by, but and then this is just the octave. You know what I'm saying? So I played it real safe with this, and it's a more like a I don't know. It's called a pluck in Omnisphere, but there's like a pad behind it, and like it's really ambient. So it's has a lot of potential to be like that instead of like chorus, just like that kind of thing that's in the background. So that's why once I did that, I just started making the other melodies. This was the first melody I started making after that. Was this? Just something to go along with it. You know what I mean? Like I didn't want to go too crazy, but I did want to add something that would kind of give it a little more rhythm, if that makes sense. And then I just got this, which is just a layer of the other plug. As you can hear, that one had gross beat on it. They all got some effects. Like the first one just got a EQ, but then the second one got some Valhalla vintage verb, just a mix down 50, cut like 400 hertz out, got a low cut or a high cut, and then over here just EQ. And then the next thing we got is the keys. This is the last melody, and this also has a gross beat on it, I believe. It doesn't. You can see this one only has fruity reverb and an EQ, and that's just another copy paste of the whole melody, of the main melody. So yeah, now we can go ahead and get on to the drums. I got the basic clap pattern. Then we got this hi-hat pattern, which I think was really fire. Okay, and then we got this 808 pattern, real simple. Kick just follows the 808. Then we get the snare pattern. And the open hat. We just got that playing. Like if you come up in here and click this, fill each 8. Just adds a lot of bounce to it. And that's it. That's the whole beat. I'm gonna go ahead and play it out, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna play the beat out, and then I'm gonna just cut the video there. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I think the next video I do for me is gonna be a mixing tutorial, just how I level my beats and how I go about sound selection and all that in one video. So that's gonna be the next one. But for now, that's gonna be it. I hope y'all have a good day. I'm gonna play the beat out and then I'm gonna be out. So yeah, have a good one.